So these are some of the numbers which ends with 5. So let's see how to do a fastest squares of two-digit numbers. And so that's 15. So 5 square. First you have to see the last digit, 5 square. That will solve your last two digit, 25. And the 1, first digit, you have to see 1 multiplied by the next number, 1 multiplied by 2. That is 2. That will solve your starting two digits. Now let's see the 35 whole square. So 5 whole square will give you 25, last two digit answer. And the 3 multiplied by the next number, 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12. This will give you first two digits. So 1225 is the total answer. Same 55, 5 square, 25. Then 5 into 6, 30. This will solve you 3025. So this is very quick. You can do it in mind. 75, 25 is the last two digits. 7 into 8 is 56. So that's also first two digits. 95, 5 square is 25. Last two digits. Then 9 into 10 is 90. That is first two digits. So 9025. So you have seen how fast within 10 seconds you can solve 15 square, 25 or any number ending with 5. Now let's see how to solve squares with the digits ending with 4. So suppose take 24 whole square. So see, this number is closest to 25. So our trick is 25. So we'll do 25 square and minus this number 24 and minus this closest number 25. This will give you the answer. So 25 whole square ending with 5 is easy to solve. So 5 square, 25, last two digits. 2 multiplied by 3, 6 to 5. This will give you the answer. Minus 24 minus 25. So this will give you 625 minus 49. And the answer 576. Let's take one more number. 64 whole square. So 64 is closest to 65. So our trick is 65 whole square minus the number 64 minus the closest number 65. And 65 whole square is simple. 5 square, 25. 6 into 7, 42. 4, 2 to 5. Minus this 9, 1 to 9. And this will give you the number 4096. So this is our answer, 64 whole square. So you have seen how quickly we have solved the squares of the big numbers ending with 4. So here is ending with 6. So let's take the number 26 whole square. This is ending with 6. So it is closest to 25. So again our trick, 25 whole square. Since this is one number more than 25, so we are going to add it. Add the number 26 plus add the closest number 25. So this will give you our answer. So 25 whole square is 625 plus 1, and this will give you 676. That is our answer. Let's take one more big number, that is 76 whole square. So this is closest to 75. So let's see, 75 whole square plus the number 76 plus the closest number 75. So this will be 25, 7 into 8, 56, and plus this 151, and this will give you the answer 5776. That is the square of 76. So let's solve the squares of the two-digit number ending with 9. So let's suppose take 89 whole square. So 89 is closest to 90. So what we are going to do, 90 whole square minus the number 89 minus the closest number 90. This will give you 90 whole square is very simple. 8100 minus this 179, and this will give you 1297, 7921. So this is the answer of 89 whole square. So you can see addition and subtractions are easy to solve quickly than doing multiplication one by one in the normal process. So this is the best way to solve squares and the fastest, and you can compete much better than the others who are doing with the normal process. Now let's see how to solve the squares with the two-digit number which ends with 1. So let's take the 91 whole square. So since 91 is closest to 90, so we are using the trick 90 whole square. Since it is more than 90, so we are going to add this number 91 plus the closest number 90, and this will give you our answer. So this is our answer. 8281 is a square of 91. So you can see in 10 seconds you can solve these questions so easily.